welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a DIY aloe vera mask treatment for our natural hair. So over here, as you can see, I have all my items ready for this DIY, and here I have my fresh aloe vera plant. I got this from an African store. This has been sitting in my fridge for 2 to 3 days now, and that's why it's looking like this. And here I have my castor oil. I'm going to be adding castor oil because we all know how it promotes hair growth. And I will be adding some olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. You can use not olive oil, sorry guys. This is coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil. You can use olive oil for this, but I don't have olive oil at the moment, so I'm going to be using coconut oil. And here is my applicator bottle, which we are going to be adding everything inside here. And I have this cup and these socks. This is like a hose. I cut it, and then I have this, so you can do yours as well. We are going to use it to strain the aloe vera juice. So next is my cutting board and my knife. Now I'm going to cut this part off. And then cut out some chunks of the aloe vera. This is what I have left. I'm going to be keeping this for later use. I'll still put it back in the fridge. It smells so well there. So this is our aloe vera. And then I'm going to cut off these sharp edges. This thing here is block. I put it in the fridge and the temperature is a bit high. That's why you are seeing block here. You see, but there's nothing wrong with that. It will still work as well. Okay, there we have it. And then I'm going to cut off this part. I hope you can see me. See what I'm doing. So this is what we have. I'm going to throw it in this cup. Actually, I'm supposed to put it in the blender, but we are going to put it here for now and then head over to the kitchen to blend everything. So I'm going to repeat the same thing with the rest, and I'll be back. This thing is so slimy, guys. Very, very slimy. Okay, here we have it. We are going to blend this. So the leftover aloe vera, we are going to wrap it up before we proceed. So I'm going to use this plastic nylon to wrap it. Make sure you wrap this side very well so it doesn't get spoiled. And then wrap it all the way here. Like this side, I won't be needing it, so I'm not going to wrap it all the way to the end. So this one is going to the fridge, and it can store for some days, probably a week or so. but I know I'll be using it before 1 week. Now back to our DIY. I'm going to put the socks just like so. Oops, just like so. Okay, put it just like so, you see, and then pour in the blended aloe vera. That's right. And gently lift it. So guys, here we have it. You can see where it is. I will advise when you are adding water, when blending it, please add just a tiny bit of water to help it blend. Don't put too much water because you are going to lose the benefits of the aloe vera. Just a tiny bit of water is okay. And this is what is left, the shaft. So the next thing now is to add it in our applicator bottle. Next, I'm going to add some of my castor oil. I'm just going to eyeball it, not too much though. Okay, let's say about a tablespoon of this, and then this one is blocked, so I'm going to be adding 2 of this spoon. That is why it's even good to use olive oil, because we are in winter season now, so that's why it's blocked. But olive oil cannot block like this. I will advise you use olive oil, please, so you don't have to go through all of this mess. Okay, we are going to give it a nice shake. And there you have it. Okay guys, so here is our aloe vera hair mask deep condition. I'm going to be using it to deep condition my hair. Some people use it to do pre-poo, so it depends on you. Whichever one you like, you can use it to do. So after using, if you have any leftover, you can put it in your fridge and it can store up to 5 days or probably a week. Because we added oil, it's not going to go bad very quick, so it can store up to 5 to 7 days in your fridge, or even more than. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.